Alright guys, I wanted to show you where you could change your units in Blender. Like I told you before, Blender has Blender units and there's no real frame of reference in the real world as far as what that means, but in this panel right here, I have the one with the sphere and the cylinder. Okay, it says scene, unit presets. You can change it to Imperial, which is inches and feet. And you can see that it changes the grid. You can choose metric. Okay, so that's where you would change that. I'd leave the degrees where it is, but as far as inches or feet, if you just leave it as is, it's just gonna go with the blender. So I'm picking none. Okay, and there's the options there too as well. But as far as I'm just gonna go ahead and do none for that, and that's how you set your units.